Greetings and welcome to Garage Auto Fix. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of automotive engines. We're uncovering the mystery behind a common phenomenon, why engines tend to lose power at high RPM. So buckle up and let's get started on this exciting journey. In the realm of mechanics, there's a universal truth. Not all power is created equal. Engines typically have a specific RPM range where they perform optimally, known as the power band. When an engine is pushed beyond this range, it starts to lose power. But why does this happen? The answer lies in the intricate dance of mechanics and physics that takes place under the hood. Firstly, consider the airflow. Engines need an optimal mixture of air and fuel to perform. At high RPM, the speed at which the engine operates can outpace the airflow, causing the mix to become less than ideal, resulting in a decrease in power. Secondly, we have the mechanical limitations. As the RPM increases, so does the strain on the engine's components. The pistons have to move faster, the valves have to open and close more rapidly. This increased activity generates more heat and friction, which can hamper performance. Lastly, let's not forget the fuel delivery system. At high RPM, the fuel injector or carburetor might not supply fuel fast enough to meet the engine's demands. This lack of fuel can cause the engine to lose power. On the flip side, engine designers and manufacturers are constantly striving to push these limits. They tweak and adjust, designing engines that can handle higher RPMs, improving airflow and optimizing fuel delivery systems. To sum it up, engines lose power at high RPM due to limitations in airflow, mechanical strain, and fuel delivery. However, the field of automotive engineering is always evolving, and these limitations are being pushed further each day. Thank you for joining us at Garage Auto Fix. We hope this explanation has shed some light on the intriguing mechanics of engines. Remember, every vehicle is a marvel of engineering, and understanding its workings can make us appreciate it even more. Until next time, keep the gears turning and the rubber burning.